after taking the machine apart. This shelf over here and this shelf over here, they are separated when packed, and there are no connecting bars in the middle. Then, after taking it apart, put it aside first. Then put this bar and this bar on the corner first. After putting it on, stretch the diagonal corners. Let it rest. Then roughly find the level. Then install all the bars in the middle. He had a mark when he was pretending. That's when every bar. This big one is a bit big. For example, this 4 corresponds to the number of 4 points. You see this is 4. Then this one is 2. And so on. Then each one is unique. Just follow the markings. After doing it, then take a look at the position below. Over here it has A. This one is a cable duct through which wires are passed. Hitch it up. Then follow that line, the direction of its line. Give it a direction. And what about this pillar? It lies flat when packed. Then stand it up. Stand up and look down. These 4 screws at the bottom. Install this big galvanized screw. After installation, there are 4 small screws. This small screw is used to adjust its verticality. For example, after we take office, it is recommended to use one of those. Use a laser level to check the track. Just make a track in this direction. Hit it and make it vertical. Then hit him again directly in front of him. Let this direction also be vertical. After installing both sides like this, then lay out the lines for him according to the direction. Install the planks. Install this board. This board. He can match it by pressing this hole. After installing it, and this place, this support chain is removed. Just remove these 2 screws from this place. Then install these 2 screws here. After installing it, this line is all here. After it comes out, let it pass by. After you come over here, tape this thread and wrap it around it. And the one I brought with me was that kind of corrugated pipe. Put it in a tube. Then send it to the control cabinet. Then what's underneath? He has a transformer. Where is this transformer? He is. Look, these are 2 screws. This insulating board. These are 2 screws. Opposite him there are 2 screws. The 2 screws are different in thickness. It's the thin end. It's the end of the thin screw. This wire is connected from the direction of the control cabinet. And then the opposite side of it is the opposite side of this transformer. Let's come and take a look. Right here. Connect these 2 on the side. Connect the 2 on the side. The 2 on the edge. Connect the incoming line from the machine direction. After connecting it, this machine is now installed. After installing it, in this place it will have a copper rod. The copper rod is installed in this hole, and on this hole. This is the same one on the opposite side. It is also equipped with a copper rod. Then after installing it, let's take a look at this control cabinet again. The control cabinet is on this side. At this location on this monitor, we all have those kind of adhesive strips. Just this kind of tape. Apply this strip to this edge. Embed this monitor inside it. Then there is this screw on the back of the monitor. Fix it here. Install the monitor. Then connect to the computer. After the connection is completed, let's take a look at this wiring. As for the wiring, we will have a terminal diagram. His wiring has a line number on it. All have line numbers. Just look at this group. His group has 4 wires. Then our group also has 4 lines. This is all A. This side is A. This side is also A. And what about the color? Just click this. Color pick us for A. 4 A's, then the red one is connected to the red one. Take the white one. These groups can all be connected according to the number restrictions.